Summer, Level 1, Week 5 and 6, Vault Stations. Station 1, we're doing donkey kicks with our hands on an age-appropriate tight block, and we're bouncing our legs out straight 5 times, trying to punch the board. Tight legs, keeping our body tight. Station 2, we're going to do our run, proper hurdle, onto the board, and hands, feet. Working on a fast run, hitting our hands to the mat first, then lifting our feet. Station 3, we're going to put our hands at the bottom of the cheese mat, walk our feet all the way up to a tight handstand, and then kick and fall to our back, keeping a tight body, straight arms, and straight legs. Our last station, we're doing our proper hurdle drill. The students will start on one foot with their arms down, jump to the board with 2 feet, keeping their chest up and their arms down, jumping up with straight arms and landing on 2 feet. Bar stations. Station 1 will be a spotted station. The students will do a chin-up pullover, assisted by their coach, and then try and do 3 casts, keeping straight arms, straight legs, and getting their belly off the bar each time. If they're ready, their coach may introduce a back hip circle, and then a forward roll to a chin-up. Station 2 is going to be 3 tuck swings in a row. So the students will hold the bar, pull their knees to their stomach, and try and swing 3 times, not letting their knees drop. Station 3 will be either on the floor bar or can be over on the stall bars. The students will hold the bar with straight arms and try and do 3 leg lifts, keeping their legs straight and lifting their toes as high as they can, trying to touch the bar. Our last station will also be on the floor bar. The students will be learning how to birdie perch. They'll start with 2 hands together on the bar, lift 1 foot, then the other, stand, balance, and jump 2 feet, landing in a safe spot. Beam stations. Station 1, the students will start in a lunge, arms by their ears, and learn a lunge touch, reaching for the beam, keeping their ears covered, and staying in a lunge. If they're ready, the teacher may introduce T-touch. Station 2, the students will be doing pivot turns. They'll place 1 foot in front of the other, reach up all the way into releve, and pivot on their toes, maintaining a straight, tight body. Station 3, on the floor beam, the students will be learning cartwheel dismount. They'll start in their lunge, place their hands at the end of the beam, and land their cartwheel on the floor. Station 4, on the blue beam, we're going to be doing broken leg walk. The students will place their hands together on the beam, 1 foot in the air, and try and maintain a good rhythm, hopping their hands and their foot all the way down the beam. Floor stations. Station 1 will be a straddle roll. The students will start in a straddle, place their hands on the floor, maintain their straddle, pushing in the middle with straight legs and straight arms to a stand. Station 2 is going to be a broken leg kick. Students will start in a lunge with their ears covered, reach, kicking their back leg up, and landing back in a lunge, arms by their ears. If they're ready, they may introduce handstand. Station 3 will be a pike handstand. The students will place their hands on the floor and their feet on the block, trying to get their toes as close to the end as they can, and holding for 5 seconds. Our last station is going to be a bridge on the cheese mat. This will be a spotted station. The students will lay on their back, bridge up, showing good open shoulders and straight arms, and if they're ready, they may kick over.